What's up, guys? I just got my RockHard 4x4 sport cage. About to go take it to powder coat. I'm gonna do it in the gecko green to match the steering, all the other accents. You know, not too much, not too little. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Should come out looking really good. Can't wait to install it. All right, guys, so I just dropped off the roll cage for some powder coat at Tommy's new shop. Got a pretty cool samurai going on right here. Pretty cool place. Yeah, I'm gonna get it done in gecko green. So I want to get every piece done, all the clamps, everything like that. Leave the bolts, the billet aluminum, the raw aluminum, so they'll look pretty good. And make a clip when I pick it up. Just got the cage back from powder coat. Looks really awesome. Tommy did a really good job on it. Kept the threads clean. I'm gonna run a tap through them all. Anyways, because they included a tap. Got that gloss gecko green, don't look sick. So here's the other parts. This is the bar that goes above your head in the center. And then these little connecting pieces right here. Really cool. It's a really cool color in person. Got my Stony Lonesome off-road part, wristband, and so on. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna set up a few lights, do a time-lapse video of all this. So I'm not gonna do a detailed install video. It would be a super long video if I included everything on the install. You know, there's plenty of videos out there, like RockHard 4x4 themselves has done a video on the install. So I'm just gonna show you a little like vlog type of, you know, how I put it in just for entertainment. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna put some light up, take off the doors and get it ready to start shipping everything down. Alright, so I got the tap, ran through all the threads on those. Got the doors off of the Jeep. Now I'm going to flip back the top so I can access all of this up here. I got to undo my alien sunshade and take out the plastic pieces and all that. So yeah, guys, my Jeep's not gonna be moving for a minute. It's all torn apart right now, getting ready for the cage. Got a lot of cleanup to do. About halfway through it right here. Got lots of work to do, but it's gonna be sweet. Cage is looking really sick. Alright guys, that's it. She's all in. I had some trouble. Only put 2 bolts down here, so one on the top, one on the bottom. That'll be plenty of support for now, because I didn't have a long enough drill bit to go past this hinge right here, so I wasn't able to drill that, so I'll have to do that later. Besides that, everything looks good. Didn't want to go too tight on these clamps up here, because it was starting to pull my windshield together a little bit. Same on the dash bar, it's kind of squeezing my dash a little bit, so got that as tight as it needed to go. It's got plenty of threads, everything is rock solid. Looks pretty good. Now it's time to clean up all these tools. Got a big mess to clean up. Put the top back on, everything like that. I'm gonna leave the doors off so I can get some pictures of it. But yeah, guys, it took me a pretty good while because I was doing this by myself. So I just finished putting the door surrounds on. Everything else up top, I did have to trim the door surrounds, and I'll show you how I did that. So I did leave out the roll bar padding, the foam, all that stuff, just because I didn't want to have to cut it. And I left out that plastic trim piece up there just because I didn't want to trim that either. So I'll have those if I ever decide to do that in the future, which I probably will. I'm just gonna leave them out for now, just in case I want to put the Jeep back to stock and sell it or something like that. So I'll always have those parts if I need them. So mine was kind of a weird fit. You know, it could be possible that it was a defect, but you know, it could be my Jeep as well. I did have to shave a lot off the casting corner back there on mine. That's why I tell you to test fit them before you get them powder coated. I didn't do that because I've heard of a lot of people that just went ahead and got them powder coated on the JKs and didn't have any fitment issues on theirs. I followed the instructional video that RockHard 4x4 has on YouTube pretty well, so everything was pretty much done in order as the guy did it on YouTube. But yeah, the guy on YouTube made it look a lot easier than it was. Got the interior all cleaned up, vacuumed it out, wiped it down, everything. Got it back to the way it was, looking spick and span. I do want to give credit to the guys at RockHard 4x4 for designing this cage. I know a lot of work goes into, you know, the fitment on everything and how to make everything work the way it should to clear, you know, the doors and the dash and all that. So I wish I had the knowledge to be able to design something like this, maybe one day. Alrighty guys, so I got my big light going on here. I have all the other lights unplugged, so there's no glare so you guys can see better, but I got some free time and I was able to loosen some things up on the A-pillars and get everything aligned better. So the, you know, the crossbar and everything is aligned to where it should be. So everything's nice and level. Okay guys, so an update here. We got the doors on. Everything clears good on both sides. I'm able to shut the door. It's just, yeah, the door's cleared just fine.